Hello everyone, welcome back to Mango & Coast Patterns, your destination to all things swimwear. My name is Marcy and I'll be showing you step-by-step instructions on how to make amazing swimsuits. In today's video, we are sewing the Malta pattern, a multi-way versatile bikini top that can be worn 10 plus ways. With endless styling options, halter, criss-cross, bandeau, and more, you can customize the fit and coverage to match your vibe. Here are the supplies you will need to sew this pattern. If you don't have a serger, that's okay. A regular sewing machine and a zigzag stitch will do. If you need swimwear fabric and elastic, I got you covered. Check out my online shop at the link down below. Now, let's get started. This tutorial is quick, it's easy, and it's going to look amazing. Let's dive in. Cut the straps along the lesser stretch and cut the cups across the greater stretch. First step, pin the self pieces and the lining pieces right sides facing each other. Mark a 1/4 inch seam allowance at the bottom of your cups. Mark a 5/8 inch seam allowance above this point to create your strap channel. Serge the following areas while leaving the channels and strap ends open. Using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, straight stitch the strap end closed. Cut off the excess seam. Next, serge a 1/4 inch clear elastic onto the dominant side of the garment, which is the self side. Start serging the elastic above the strap channels and finish serging when you reach the following measurements. Apply the clear elastic onto the garment with zero tension. With the elastic side facing up, fold over the elastic and tack down all 4 corners with a straight stitch. Using the strap channels, flip the pieces right sides out. Next, top stitch your strap channels using a 5/8 of an inch seam allowance. Place both pieces right sides facing each other and serge each side, leaving the ends open. Please note that the chest strap is intentionally elastic-free to allow full flexibility for the versatile styling options this bikini top offers. Using a loop turner, pull the strap right side out. Mark a 1/2 inch hole on each end of the strap. Seam rip these holes. Flip the ends of the strap like so and serge each end closed. Flip the ends back in through the holes and top stitch or blind stitch each hole closed. Pull the strap through the channels. The Malta top is all about versatility. Here are just a few ways to style it. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What swimwear pattern would you like to see next? Comment down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest sewing adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy sewing!